as the China Central Asia Summit is to be held from Thursday to Friday in the historic Chinese city of Xi'an. Youths from Central Asian countries have high expectations for the summit.
中亚峰会是中国和我们国家很期待的一次就是重要的会议，和中国的友好合作也帮助我们国家就是一起取得更好的发展。
The summit is particularly significant because it highlights China's commitment to promoting regional stability and economic development. I hope that the summit will result in concrete initiatives and agreements that will help to deepen the cooperation between China and countries of Central Asia. This will contribute to the regional stability and its prosperity.
The summit provides an opportunity for China and the Central Asian countries to discuss issues related to economic cooperation, security and cultural exchange. Expectations for this year's summit include further discussions on cooperation in areas such as infrastructure development, energy, agriculture and tourism.
China and Central Asia, we have got a long history and close relationship, so we have to exchange, support each other.
I hope that we can discuss more about other opportunities such as progressing together. I think that it's a good opportunity for our country and for China as well to improve on the economic side and other sides as well.
I think it's very historical and symbolic moment of our relationships, because after pandemic, leaders meeting again to further extend their cooperation in economic, cultural, and other, like in the frame of Shanghai Cooperation Organization and Belt and Road Initiative. I hope there will be more cultural exchange, educational exchange.
我希望将来中国和乌兹别克斯坦的教育关系更加加强。
峰会可能会谈到更多的领域，包括这个人工智能啊、绿色能源，还有这个人文领域。所以我觉得我非常的期待，可能会有更多的让我们还有这个可能在这个青年参与方面，可能有一些新的议题。